Hey y'all, welcome back to my old home upgrade series. We are finally at episode 2. If you've ever wanted your home to feel high end without spending thousands, this one's for you. Because honestly, a $50 swap can make your whole home look expensive. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode. Tip 1. Replace dated light fixtures. Let's start with lighting. One of the most overlooked upgrades. Those builder-grade dome lights or the chandelier from 3 owners ago, they instantly date your space. Swap them out for modern shapes, globes, lanterns, or even my personal favorite, Fandeliers. Yep, it's a fan and a chandelier in one, and it's perfect if you want style and function. I actually did a full before and after in my boho bedroom makeover, and wow. The difference was night and day. The whole vibe of the room changed instantly. Quick tip, size matters. A tiny light in a large room just looks awkward, while an oversized fixture in a small room can feel overwhelming. As a rule of thumb, measure your room's length and width in feet, add those numbers together, and that's the ideal diameter of your fixture in inches. It keeps things balanced and proportionate. Tip 2, spray paint your fixtures. Now, if replacing everything isn't in the budget, here's a hack I love, spray paint. Those shiny brass or silver light fixtures, curtain rods, or even vent covers, you can give them new life with a can of matte black, brushed gold, or even oil-rubbed bronze spray paint. It's such a low-cost trick but makes a huge difference. Just make sure you prep, clean, sand lightly, and use a spray paint meant for metal so it holds up. One weekend of painting and suddenly your fixtures look custom instead of dated. Tip 3, update cabinet knobs and door handles. The little details people touch every single day. Switching out cabinet knobs and door handles is one of the fastest ways to modernize your kitchen, bathroom, or even bedroom furniture. Here's the trick. Think about style and comfort. Sleek bar pulls feel modern, round knobs give you that classic look, and leather pulls add a fun boho touch. And don't be afraid to mix metals. Maybe matte black handles on your cabinets, but brush gold on your drawers. Mixing actually feels more intentional and high-end than having everything match perfectly. It's such a small swap, but every time you open a cabinet or door, you'll feel the upgrade. Hardware is like the jewelry of your home, Warrant keeps everything working, but also makes it work. Swapping out old knobs and pulls is seriously the fastest way to upgrade an outdated space. No sledgehammer or renovation budget needed. And yes, you can totally featured the look of a high-end makeover for under $50. I've added my favorite budget-friendly sources right here on the screen, so go ahead, pause, and take a screenshot. And I've also dropped them in the description for you. Tiny swap, major glow up. Out with the grandma brass, and in with the rich anti-aesthetic. Remember, small details equal big transformation. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more old home upgrade tips. And if you missed it, check out last week's episode, Paint Power That Changes Everything, for my favorite paint tricks to totally refresh your space. Next week, we're tackling trim, molding, and baseboards. The little glow-up details that make your home look sharp, polished, and way more expensive. See you then.